Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Pydantic library for your Python in Visual Studio Code. So if you don't know about the Pydantic library, then it is a Python library primarily used for data validation and setting management. It enforces type hints at runtime, ensuring that data conforms to the expected types and formats. So let's see how to install this library. So in order to install the library, you need to head on to the terminal and type in the following command, which is pip install pydantic. This means we'll be using the pip or the pip module to install this particular library, and here you can see once the task has been finished, it will show you a message like successfully installed pydantic version 2.10.6. So in order to verify whether this has been present into our system or not, let's check it out. So from a new terminal line, you need to type in the following command, which is pip show pydantic. Once you've typed in, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see that it has retrieved me with some information like the version number along with the location of this particular library into my system. So that confirms that this library has been installed into my system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.